Would you like to get rid of your tail fender on your X22 GT and have these cool signal lights that strobe to the left and strobe to the right, while also having a light for your license plate and eliminating that large piece below here? Well, stay tuned for this next video. Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity, coming at you with another X22 GT VenomMotorSports mod for this 250cc automatic street bike. I haven't even got plates for it yet or registered or anything, and I'm in that process right now. And I really, this fin right here is really bothering me. If you notice, there is already a fender down here, and then there's a ducktail. And generally when you have a ducktail, it's to keep you from having water splash on you, but this is already taken care of with this fender back here, so we can eliminate this. It looks like there's just 3 screws that hold this plastic piece on, and then 2 sets of wires that go to the signal lights and 1 that goes to the license plate light. And I already have a solution that I've already put together. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. But before I show you that, my name is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity. It is a small bore channel where we do scooters, motorcycles, and whatnots. We do reviews, rides, group rides, motovlogs, and parts installs. If this sounds like something that you'd really like, go ahead and give me a subscribe. Now let me get that part for you. Well, here it is. Oh, it looks like an alien. If anyone here has seen my KP Mini, this is the same bracket that I used for the KP Mini, except for that I put signal lights on here. I like this because it is adjustable and you can slide it up and down. If you look, it has screws in here that you can adjust the pitch and lock it down. And then screws here where you can slide the plate up and down if you want. For me, I'm going to try to get it as close to the body as I possibly can. Note, when you do put this in, make sure that you Loctite these 2 top screws, and then Loctite all these. Well, these are nuts, but the ones that don't have nylon nuts, use Loctite on it also, because I've had this whole assembly fall off just because of these 2 screws up here weren't Loctited, and they just wiggled and fell out. So that's a note. But first, let's go. Okay, this was first, right? I'll have a link for these pieces in the description below. Their affiliate links to Amazon is where I got these, and that's a good way to support the channel if this is something you want to do for this particular bike. But anyways, let's go ahead and take this off right here. All right, to give you an idea what I'm talking about, there's 2 screws up here, and then there's a couple more on the inside, so there's 4. The universal mount should be able to mount on these 2 on the back side, and this whole piece just comes off, which is convenient for us because it's like literally just 1 piece that will come off. So let's take this off. My fault. There's screws on the top. They're threaded from the top, so let's do that. You can't reuse the screws and the nuts because the nuts are welded into the body of the old tail. So I have these Allen wrenches with some dress ups that I got from Texas Get, or at least he doesn't admit to giving them to me, but they're Allen wrenches, stainless, aluminum dress ups. You don't need that. And these are nylon nuts, so you can still use Loctite, but since they're nylon nuts, they won't come out easily. So let's go ahead and see if we can install the light on the tail fender. Okay, I'm gonna admit something. That mounted up super clean. Like, it was meant to have this on here. Like, if you configure a different way to put, like, perhaps like LED strips here for your signals or something like that, which may happen someday, but I have these already. It totally took off that back piece easily. And then there's a hole in the top right here, so I can put my wires through. And then there's tons of space in here for me to do all my wiring. I'm gonna zip tie these together right here to hold it into this spot, and then zip tie it to this little plastic thing that's sticking out. And I got like the coolest looking wire set down here. Anyways, this is great. Let's go ahead and wire this up really quick. This one, blue. This blue was the right. Is it blue and green? And the left was, I believe, orange. And then this tiny one back here was it? Hold on. What color is this? Yeah, you can see it. It's orange and green. Blue and green is right, orange, green is left, and what is that, brown or something? Yeah, we'll see it in a second. We're gonna go ahead and wire this up together. I already got my other wires here already, so this should be easy. Okay, let's test the left and right signal. So the bike is on. There's left. How do you like that? Won't, won't, won't. And then right. Aww. Oh, there's right. Cancel left, cancel, brake, brake. Okay, so I just need to know how to get this tail light to go on. There's 3 wires here, I don't know which one it is, so I'm gonna assume black is ground, and there you go. Okay, cool. I'm gonna finish putting those colors together, but how do you like that? The little zoopy lights. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, let me finish this and butt it back up. From this to this. Okay, well, there you go. A very simple and easy mod to do on the X22GT 250cc, which I'm going to start nicknaming the X22GTA, which is for automatic. Because it's a CVT transmission, GY6. Well, at least I still have to prove it's GY6, but it is all set up and is ready to go. I'll have a wiring diagram in the description below, and if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.